every task in the system, there's a green start timer. When you click this, it will know what client is it for and also what you're doing for them because it's directly related to that information. Your third place that you'll find is in the personal clients view list. Every single personal client has a timer associated to their name. So you can also record for the amount of time that you're spending on their taxes. And again, it will know that it's for this client and the fact that it's personal taxes because it's from this part of the program. So if I click a start timer here on this task, then it'll know, as I said before, what client is it for and also how long we're spending. And that information is detailed here in the bottom at the sort of center of the software. Now once you click a timer, you don't have to stay here. You can move to other sections of the program. You can minimize the software. It will keep counting your time. While you're working on things, if you need to pause anything for any reason, in the Clock Tools lower left-hand portion, there is a pause button, which is the one with the blue icon. And when you get back to your desk, click the green one to pick up from where you left off. You can hit the red one to stop any time you're currently working on. It will come up and verify the actual details of the entry with you so you can make sure that everything looks good. And the one on the right is the interruption timer, which when clicked will pause the first one you're on, start a different one in the middle of your screen. So I can say, got interrupted by a phone call, this is the client, and then put in whatever descriptions you'd like. Once you're finished with your interruption and you click OK, it will verify the full-time entry details with you so you can make sure that you're not changing anything further. When you're done with that, it moves back to the first timer you were on, so you can just simply pick up from where you left off. Then once you're done with your main one, click the stop timer and it will verify the details with you. So for timers, one thing to note about them as well is once they do get paused, they will get split into different pieces. And the reason why that happens is because if you start a timer at, let's say, 1 o'clock and then you resume it at 3, then, so you started at 1, pause it at 2, and resume it at 3, there's going to be a chunk of time in there that it needs to account for. So it will add up to the same total time, but you'll see it in the different locations. And that's why I split up those 3 there just to show you what that would more look like.